Hi there folks, Andy Lowe here again from easymoneybetting.com, and here we are with Paddy Power again. I'm just going to explain what this deal is. On our calendar it's saying Paddy Power £10 refund. So to bet on this particular tennis game, but you have to bet on something that's called What's Odd Paddy. So I'll explain when we go into the site. So basically you have to use this What Odds Paddy, and if you lose you get a £10 free bet. So it's a no lose bet really. So here it is in the Paddy Power site, and basically you've got to go into one of these here. So it's not, just betting on the game, you've got to actually use one of their features. So I've just had a quick look, and like I say, you can go and have a wild go on trying to win 100 quid on these particular things, but I always go like middle of the range, and I've decided to go on this one here with this guy Schwartzman to win his first 3 service games to 15, 30 or 40. So basically to win his first 3 service games and not go to a juice and all that sort of stuff. So we'll go and put that bet on. There's no laying off this time, so we'll go do that. £10. So obviously I win 35, so it's 25. So I win £25 if this particular bet comes in. But if it doesn't, I get a free £10 bet. So let me just explain how that particularly works. Let's just go to here. So with that particular bet, it's at 3.5, and like I said, I'm putting a £10 bet on. So if I win £35, but that's actually plus 25. Now, if I was to, let's say for instance I don't win and I get the £10 free bet, I will place that £10 free bet and lock in £8 of profit. So it's going to end up costing me about £2. Right? I'm going to lose £2 if this bet doesn't win. Now, if so £2, I would have to bet on something at 12.5 to make £25 out of £2, wouldn't I? So that's the difference. So that's where the value is with these particular bets. I'm having a bet, and Paddy thinks that the odds of this happening are 3.5, whereas to make £25 with a £2 bet, I would have to bet on something at 12.5, which is quite a large number. So do you see the difference between the two? That's where the value is in these bets. Like I say, you can't lay them off. Well, no, I don't think you can lay them off. But so this is how I will play this particular Paddy Power offer, and there's, like I say, there's if we go into the calendar, I'll have to turn that off. If I go into my calendar, just today, if I go into my calendar for the day, this is what we've got to bet on today. There's all these offers. Like I keep trying to explain to people, when you use this software, you don't have to go hunting for these free bets. All the bets are here in the itinerary. So this particular day today, there's a bet on the horses. If your horse comes second, third or fourth, I've done that one. So I bet on the favourite. If it doesn't win, if it comes second, third or fourth, I get a free £10 bet, of which I'll lock in £8 profit. That cost me £2. And there's these 2 tennis ones. There's this Schwartzman bet, and there is also the Djokovic, which I've also bet on as well, and another one of about 3.5 the odds. Like I say, if it comes in, great, I win 25 quid. If it doesn't, it's cost me a couple of quid to have the chance of winning 25 quid, which I'll take every day of the week. Hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe and go down to my other videos. At the bottom of this one, there'll be some videos linked, and it shows you all these types of offers that are available every day. You just got to know how to use them. Okay, hope that helps. Bye for now.